Hello, everyone. It's been a while as I actually shot this video almost a week ago, and then my computer crashed and I lost everything on it. Long story that I won't go into here. But anyway, we are back up north of Island Park, Idaho, where we started the summer. And as you can see by the colors, it's getting chilly in the morning. We've already been down to the mid 20s for lows. So I'm guessing I will be out of here within another week to start heading south. So the next drone video that I put up will most likely be from Sonoyta, Arizona at the Border Hookups Romp It Up, which is a music festival. So that should be a lot of fun. Maybe I'll even see some of you there. As you can see, all the leaves have just about changed. And since this video was taken, a lot of them have already hit the ground. The daytime highs are in the 60s to low 70s, so it's still very pleasant. The mountain in the background is at 10,500 feet. That area has been really chilly. So a day or two before I shot this video, we had some guests from north of the border come down and join us for a couple days, and they have already headed south. So anyway, I hope everyone had an enjoyable summer. Stay healthy and stay safe. Thank you for watching.